Hello, in this video we can see how can we lock and unlock a particular bot flow or automation. So if you have created a bot flow in someone else's account and you don't want them to access the flow or open it, you can simply lock your bot flow so it will not be visible to them but will be working in their account. Now to lock the flow, click on the three dots, click on lock workflow. Here you can enter your email address. So this email is kept universal, so it is not necessary that the email that is being entered should be attached to this particular account or any team member's account. This can be anyone's email. So enter the email that you want to lock this flow with and then click on send OTP. Enter your OTP and click on verify. Now as you can see, the flow is locked, it is not visible here. Now if I want to unlock the bot flow, so I can simply click on unlock bot flow and enter the email with which I logged it. So when I unlock from this particular email, all the bots that were locked from this email will be unlocked, but this will only be for a session of 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this particular bot flow will be locked again, and this is open only for this particular window. So if I try to log into this account from any other PC or any other tab, then also this flow will not be visible there. So this unlock is only for this particular window and for this particular session, which is for 30 minutes. Now if I want to unlock this flow permanently for everyone and not just for the session of 30 minutes, then again we'll click on the three dots. Here I can use permanently unlock workflow. Again we will enter the email with which we logged it and then enter OTP to verify. Now this flow is permanently unlocked. Thank you.